Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of this Lamtech metal laptop cooling stand, and this comes packed with some killer features including a full circle rotation that we'll check later. And here on the rear side we have all the specification of this product in various languages. This is compatible with up to 17 inches laptop, and you can check more on the website of Lamtech for more information. This is a metal stand which makes it really great, and it comes with LED ambient light, a fan, it is stable, it rotates, and it has a dual USB type A port support. So this is the overview of the features. So let's open the box here, and we'll use a pair of scissors to cut this seal here. So let's open up this box and check what's inside. Okay, first of all we have this here, this metal, I guess, tool. I think this is an Allen key, but we'll check closely. Okay, it has some heft to it. Okay, we have two of them. This is an Allen key and this is a polygonal hex wrench. I guess we can check this later on the product. Now here we have a USB cable that is typical USB 2.0. This is braided, that's really nice, and I guess the length is not disappointing. This should be long enough to connect your laptop on the stand, and this is to be connected on the metal stand here. And okay, apart from that we have a silica gel bag apparently, and a user manual, and this box is empty. So let's check the user manual first. Well, apparently we have all the specification here again. Okay, we have the USB ports here, again a full specification list, packaging list, and on the other side we have the warranty. Okay, that's it. Make sure to keep this for the warranty. This is some important paperwork here, and this is the metal stand itself with the fan in the center. We just have to unpack this. I'm not gonna lie, it has a heft to it. This is real metal. Here it is. I really like the finish here. This M.A.D coating on the metal that's, I guess, scratch resistant, but most importantly, yes, this is an anti-fingerprint surface that is really nice. Now your laptop will not slip here with these rubber pads, and we can adjust the angle here. That is ideal for an ergonomic placement, and this is also rotatable. So let me demonstrate that. It can do a full circle here, but let me remove this material here. That is, I guess, to make sure that it won't turn around in the packaging and have any damage in shipment. But this feels really sturdy. We can check the base of it. It is a full metal plate with rubberized feet at its end. You can just rotate 360 degrees. And again, this is also adjustable here for the angle of the laptop. I guess we need here our Allen key, or perhaps, okay, we need the polygonal hex one. Now I guess this will do the trick. You can just use this one here and adjust the angle. This can be used to loosen or tighten the screws and keep the laptop at a certain position on this stand. Now there's only one of the screws here, and I guess we need to do that for the other screws there. We can just use again this wrench and loosen and then tighten again the screws so that we have the desired angle of your laptop there, and you can fully rotate. Now that's more likely to be used at this angle here. This seems nice. Okay, on the rear side we have these two USB ports and what it seems to be a volume rocker. Now this doesn't have anything to do with a volume. This is for a fan speed, I guess, and you can accordingly turn off or turn on the fan. And I guess we need the USB cable here to power this fan, and we can insert it here like that. And as you can see, this surface has some grills for better airflow, and this can add to the airflow of your laptop. Now we'll try to connect the USB to the power source and check the fan here for cooling the device. Now the rocker on the rear side is not really easily accessible when you have a laptop here. And another gripe is that one USB port is already occupied with a power source. That leaves us with only one USB port for the one we are using. But again, this is a stand, not a USB hub. Now here it is. We have some good airflow here, and we have this blue LED strip here when the fan is on, which is really nice, and this can be used to cool your laptop. So this was the unboxing of the Lamtech metal laptop cooling stand. That it is indeed a really great purchase for its money, and the build quality is really nice. I have no complaints here. Feel free to leave us a like, subscribe so you won't miss any of our videos. Comment below if you like this product, and as always from M.A.D Tech, thank you for watching.